Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So let's get into it. So in this video, I'm just going to be showing you guys this water wave wig that I'm wearing. And when I tell you, it was so cute. So cute. Here's the wig. It's just a 4x4 lace closure wig. So I am going to color the wig jet black. And I'm going to bleach and customize the knots. But I just wanted to come on camera in the rawest form and show you the wig before I do anything to it. And these are the curls of the wig. And it's straight from the package. And I'm gonna show you the inside. So you come with the bottom comb, you got scraps and 2 side combs, and this is the lace on the wig. So the lace is transparent. If I see you out with this on your head, then I'm gonna know something, because sis, what the fuck is you doing? Like, what make y'all think that this is how it's supposed to look? Like, all right, back to the video. Like, I'm so goofy. I can't, that's why I don't talk on camera. So for this step, I already glued my cap down and everything. So now I'm just gonna put 3 thick layers of glue down, and when it clears, I'm going to apply another. So to thin out my applications, I'm just using a popsicle stick. Now, popsicle sticks, you can find them on Amazon, your local fish supply store. I'm pretty sure like your local Sally's. But if you don't have any of that around, just get them from Amazon. Or you can just use something flat. It don't have to be nothing perfect. Or you can just use a comb. just to make sure like the extra cap and everything, or the lace where you see like the brown part, is cut off. And for this step you want to be really careful because you can cut your forehead or cut yourself. Now these baby hairs, like, tell me, this was a struggle. I was struggling, sis, like struggling. I can seem to do these on everybody else except for myself. I don't know, but I don't know. Maybe I just need to let other people install my wigs because this was a struggle. They turned out okay. They were my best, but y'all gonna see. So after all this time, I finally got the wig installed. I did do baby hair, but I was not feeling them. For some reason, I do not like baby hair on me. I did subtle baby hairs, like some that you can like see but not see. So I did customize my curls though before I put my wig on. So only thing I used was like this Eco Styler and some Talia YG. Now I am gonna revive it a little bit. And oh, I brushed it out a little bit, and I did use a water. But I always just get like a little bit, and I put it in my hand, and I just run it through my hair. Like, that's it. Then I would get some of my Talia YG. And if I don't use my Talia YG, I normally would use like Mielle products. As far as like the curly system, that's normally what I like to use because it smells good too. And I would go through my hair. Now I do have videos on my page about defining curls, so if you want to learn like how to do a wig and go look, go watch my prior videos on my page. That will help you, and I will link them below. So this is a 20-inch water wave wig from Fashion Plus products on Amazon, and they sent me this wig to, you know, show you girls like I love it, everything about it. Let's talk about density. So the density on this wig, it should be anywhere from 130 to 150. I feel like the density on the wig is really good for me and my liking. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. So this wig is a 4x4 lace closure, not a 5x5. It's not HD lace. It's transparent lace, but it's still good because it blends very well with my skin. And you can also go up under your lace and put makeup under there, or you can bleach your knots. I did do both. So this is where the 20-inch stops on me. It comes to my boob area, so you don't need to glue your wig down if you don't want to, and you can wear it glueless. Okay, beauty, so that is all for this video. I hope you guys loved everything about it. So please leave your thoughts and comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, and like this video. Give us a big thumbs up, share this video. All details will be in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video.